Many of us have big, beautiful trees on our property. Keeping them that way takes maintenance. I'm going to show you some common things to look for that you can do on your own and also help you figure out when you should call in a professional. All right, so if you have mature trees around your house, there's some things to look for. Number one is hollows or splits in the trunk itself. That's going to tell you there's a failure point. Number two is if you see mushrooms or weird deformities on the trunk where this one looks nice and consistent, that could be an indication that there's heart rot or some other problem as well. One common problem we see in structure is something called codominant stems, where two trees basically grow together or one tree splits in two. This is a problem where they could fail. If it's U-shaped like this, it's a lot stronger situation, but get them looked at if you're worried. With this oak here, we have some long extending limbs that sometimes people are nervous about. They don't always have to come off. We can sometimes cable and brace them or even prune them like we're going to do today to remove some of that end weight so there's a less likelihood of failure. We also have some large dead limbs overhanging the structure. We're going to remove those as well. All right, so this is obviously one of those times you need to call a pro. When you have to leave the ground and work at height, you need to be trained to do so. So to find the right professional, first and foremost, ask them for a credential such as ISA certified arborist or a regional certification like New Jersey licensed tree expert. And don't forget to check that they have the proper insurance.